If you're an escrow to buy a house and you receive an email from the escrow company to wire your funds to their bank account, don't do it. It could be a scam email.
Oh, no.
So for those of you that don't know me, I'm Rami Dhillon, and I'm a real estate agent in Temecula, California. And I want to tell you that wire fraud is real. And I like to share with you what to do when you receive an email asking you to wire your funds to escrow. So first, don't just wire your funds immediately. You are now at the finish line and you just want to close the sale and receive the keys to your new home and be done with it. I know that. But the best advice is to slow down and don't rush. Pick up the phone and call the escrow company using the phone number and contact information that were provided to you by your real estate agent in the beginning of the transaction. Do not use any different phone number or account number in any email transfer instructions. Call the escrow company and ask your escrow officer to verbally confirm that the transfer instruction is legitimate and to confirm their bank account number and routing number. The email you receive could possibly be from a scamster who could have hacked into your email account and could have been reading your email correspondences while you were in escrow the whole time. They then send you an email that may look very legitimate and real, as if to appear like the email is from your escrow company. I always bring this to my clients' attention at the beginning of every transaction by providing them with this wire fraud advisory and making them aware of the possibility of this type of scam. It is always a good idea to change your email passwords regularly and avoid sending personal information in emails or text messages. It's worth it to spend a little time taking these steps to safeguard your money. Otherwise, the losses could be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I hope you folks have enjoyed this video. Please leave some comments, and I will see you folks on the next one.